Hello, this is Philip and welcome to my channel for this new episode of Robospital. In the last episode we played with a string type, and in this episode we're gonna talk about a list. I stopped the last episode and we were starting some practice about a list. And now we have those 9 missions. Make a string into a list. So let's use the split method of a string. Write the following code. Okay, this is easy. X equals input. So this is X is a string, and if I write print X dot split like this, the code will receive a string input, split the string by a white space, and create a list of the substring. So welcome to Mechana library. It gives you a list of 4 elements, okay, and each element is a word of your string. Okay. Length of list. Investigate the T12 bookshelf in the Mechana library. The list of book titles is input as single string with titles separated by comma. Okay, on the first line, print the length of the list. On the second line, print the list. For example, the tails, the twisted pillar, and a tragicommy. So I need to use a split, but I don't want to split using the white spaces, but the commas here. So if I go in, I don't know if I have something about split. So let me try this. So X equals, or let's say books equals input. Okay, and I want to print books split, and I want to split with that. I'm not sure if this works. So let me try this here. So for example, if I write hello word like this. Okay, I have hello and word, so this is working. So this is a list, so book list equals that. Okay, and I want to print a book list dot length. No, this is not like this, it's like this, length book list, and I want to print the list, so print book list. I think it's okay. Okay, great. Okay. Next mission, indexing lists. Find the second book of the bookshelf in the Mechana library. So books equals input, and I will copy that line for the next missions if I need this line. The list of books title is input as a single string with titles separated by a comma, and print the second book. Okay, so let's say list of books equals books split with a comma. Yes, let me copy this one, and I want to print the second, so print list of books. And because this is the second book and a list starts with the index 0, 0 is the first book, okay, the first element of the list, so 1 is the second element of the list. Okay. Okay. Next mission, sorting lists. Okay, so we have book titles in a single string, titles separated by comma, and I want to print the sorted list in alphabetical order. Okay. So, books equals input. Do I have a list? Can I sort a list automatically? Append, insert, remove, pop. Count, sort. Okay, I can sort a list directly. Alright, so I just have to write print list of books sort like this. Okay. Right. It wasn't that. Numbers dot sort. Okay. Print number. So what is the problem here? Ah, yes. I understand. I have to do this first. List of books dot sort. So that means that I'm changing the list of books and then I print a list of books. Okay. And if I want, I can change the name of the variable here. Okay, next mission, reverse sort. So we saw that there is a reverse method to reverse. So let's say books equals input. Can I write it, please? Books equals input. Yes. List of books equals books dot split with the comma here. Then I can say, okay, reverse list, for example, equals list of book reverse, and then I can print the reverse list here. Or can I copy all of this? I think this is good. Okay, so I can't do that. I thought I can do that, but so here, list of books. Ah, what's the problem here? This is correct, this is not correct. Why? If it's not correct, it's not my fault. Reverse sort, reverse. No, I'm silly. It is my fault. First, I have to sort the list of books by alphabetical order, and then I need to reverse. Okay. I assumed that a list of books was already in alphabetical order, but no. Okay, 6. Remove the first and the last book of the bookshelf. Alright, so this. Then there is a remove. Okay, you can remove an element. Okay, but this method removes the first element from the list. Alright, so remove list dot remove element. Is there an example? Ah, yeah, there is banana here. Okay, so remove the first element from the list. Ah, yes, if there is multiple banana here, this one remove only the first banana, not all bananas. All right, and method remove the element of the okay, pop is to remove the element at the index of the list. If no index is provided, it removes the last element. Okay, this is simpler. Okay, so list. I just have to say, okay, list of books dot pop. I will remove the last element. Okay, I want to remove the first and the last book. Okay, so let's say that, and then list of books pop the first element, and then I don't need to okay, I don't need to sort the list of the books in the alphabetical order, so I just have to print here list of books. Okay, so let's submit that. Okay, it's working. Okay. Mission 7. What is the maximum value? So a list of integer is entered as a single string. Okay, so the strings are separated by white space. Print the maximum value of the integers in the list and make sure the elements in the list are numeric. Okay, so min and max. You can use the min and max function to find. Okay. Okay, so this will be easier than I thought. So we have a list. Okay, so we have a list of numbers as a input, and I can say, okay, a list of numbers split like this, but this will be a list of string, okay, not of integer, and I want to know if I can I don't have anymore the list of function here. No. I want to know if I can where is lists? Operator. Okay, list here. I want to know if I can change, if I can cast the string value of a list into int value. Sort reverse input. Okay, so let me try this. I'm not sure this will work. So to show you, if I write print a list of numbers, and let me copy that. Okay, copy 0 plus 1. Okay, so if I try this, just to show. So if I write, for example, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Empty separator. I don't need that. 1, 2, 3. So list of numbers. Okay, so let me do that. 1, 2, 3. And I wanted to print list of numbers 0 plus list of numbers 1. So if I do that, 1, 2, 3. This is strange. What I'm doing wrong here? So 3, 5. Oh, I can do int directly here. Okay, I can do that. So, but why? Yes, maybe, I know. Maybe I have to write like this. So, list of... Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Why this is not a list? List of numbers dot split. I should have a list here. But I don't. Why is that? Input. So enters the number as string. And then 0, yes, 3 plus 7 equals 10. Okay, let me try. I can, okay. Yes, this is what I did wrong. What I did wrong from the beginning. So numbers, this is that, and list of numbers equals numbers dot split. Much better. Okay, this will work now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is what I wanted. Okay, and of course here is a concatenation of 2 strings input. Okay, so this is why I have 1 and 2. But I want the maximum of the list, and I want to change that. So for example, I can say, okay, int list of numbers 0 plus int list of number 1. And this will add the first element and the second element, so the number will be equal to 3. Okay, this is working. Now I want the maximum here. I want the maximum value here. So I want each element of this list, I want them to be numbers, to be integer, and I'm thinking if I can change numbers. Can I do for example that like this? Okay. But right, and okay, stop that. So I need to change So for I in range 0, I think it's like that, and a list of numbers. I want to hear the length of that. I'm not sure this is the best way to do that, and for that, I want, for example, to print list of numbers. Okay, int list of numbers like this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is working. Now I want to change the element here. I want to say, okay, change that element and convert it into integer, right? And if I say, okay, print list of numbers, print list of numbers like this and like this. So let me try this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is a list of strings, and now this is a list of integer. All right, so now I can try to find the maximum of that list here. I just have to print max and the name of the list. I want the maximum value. Okay, so print max of this. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 5, let's say 5, 8, 1, 3. Eight. Okay, this is working. I don't know if I can do that in the faster way, but so let's submit that. Okay, so this loop is taking time. Okay, if I have a big list, maybe this is not the best way to do that. Okay, but it worked. 8 two-dimensional lists. So this will be a list inside a list. Okay, in other words, this is a matrix. Okay, so if you want to print here, the first element of a list is that list. Okay, the second element is that list, and the third element is that list here. And then you can say, okay, I want to print x00, so this is the first element of that list, and this is the first element here, so this will print A. Okay, I can't copy that, so x equals, so A, B, C, and here I have D, E, F, and A, B, C. Okay, so then I want to print x0, so this is the first element of the list x, so this is that list here. 1, 2, up, up, 1, 2. So here is the first element of the first list, so this is A, B, and C. Okay. Last mission, two-dimensional list 2. Okay. A total of 3 lists are entered as 3 strings. Okay, so x1 equals input, x2 equals input, and x3 equals input. Commas separated separate each element of the list, and create a new list with these three lists as elements and print it out. So for example, ABC 1, 2, 3, X, Y, Z, I want A, B, C like this, 1, 2, 3, and X, Y, Z. Okay, so here I want to create a new list. List 1 is x1.split, and this is the same here and here. Each element is separated with a comma, so I have to write this. This is x2, list 2, list 3. Okay. Up. And then I want to create a new list where each element is the list 1, list 2, list 3. So I can create a final list, for example. So this is an empty list, and then you have here in list, you have this method here, append. Okay, so this method adds an element to the end of the list. So I can say, okay, final list dot append, and I want to add list 1. Okay, and then list 2 and list 3. This will work, but maybe I can do something different. I can say, okay, for I can say a loop for I in range 0, 2, because I want 3 lists. I can say, okay, X, let's say like this, final list is an empty list, and X equals input like this, and I want to final list dot append X dot split comma like this, and then I print final list. I think this works. No. Okay, because this is not 0, 2, but 0, 3. I thought I was counting 0, 1, 2, so this is 3 loops, but no, this is like this. Okay. Yeah, because 3 minus 0 equals 3, so you know that you have the loop is executed 3 times. Okay, this was the last mission. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you soon for the next episode. Bye bye.